Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you specifically about shelving. Now, if you watch any of my videos on the indoor garden, you watch any of my cooking videos and stuff in here, and I move the camera around, you'll know I have a lot of shelving units in here. Generally, for me, and it may not be for you, I get those 4-foot wide, 16-inch deep shelving units from Sam's Club that have wheels for them and have the plastic film that goes across the wire shelves so that things don't get off balance on it. But there are other type of shelving units you can use, and I've had some of those in some of my other videos out in the shop. Shelving units that are adjustable can make life so much easier and friendly than fixed shelving units. All right, so think about it. Set a little bit aside each month to buy a new shelving unit once or twice a year, so you can actually store everything up on it. Stay happy, stay safe, keep adding to your preps. Add water, food, medicine, clothing every month. Grow some healthy food, because what you're getting at the grocery store is sprayed with so many chemicals. It would scare you if you ever find out every chemical they spray on your fresh vegetables.